guys. Like, now you. Why don't you ever get scared? Well, I always be scaring her. I'm a scare her before this video. What's up?
Whatever's up.
Hmm?
Whatever's up.
What's up?
Whatever's up. You asked me a question. Huh? You did not break it.
No. All I gotta do is get my mind up. Oh, I could like start making. Oh yeah, just saying though. Can y'all tell me what games I should get so I can start making gameplays? Like, all I have to do is get a adapter and a Xbox 360 adapter, and I can use my mom's laptop. Huh?
It's cutting off your hair.
Oh, oh well. At least they can see my face. Oh yeah, but I don't want it like. All I need is an Xbox 360 adapter. I'm gonna probably buy one like off of eBay because they're like $6, something like that. About $10, $11. That's cheap. I could afford that. Yeah, I could just use my phone, zoom in, so it's like perfectly on thing, and I can make like gameplays on my mom's laptop. Because if I get a, because I don't really want to get a laptop, because if I get a laptop this Christmas, that will be the only thing that I'm getting. But like if I save up, I could buy a laptop off of eBay, so that's what I'm probably gonna do. So yeah, and like over Christmas, I'll just be I'll get a game capture. Prob- I don't know if I'll get like a Elgato because that's the best one. Elgato HD game capture is the best game capture that you can ever get. And that's what I kind of want to get, but it's really expensive. It's about $150, but on eBay it's I know it's $90 or $9 to $150. But I just want y'all to look outside. The sky. It's just moving along. Listen. It's just moving. It's just these clouds have never moved that quick before. Moving faster than tongue. Yeah. Those are my cleats. Okay. I went to football practice yesterday. It was pretty fun. I played cornerback at tight end for the boys club. For color boys club. Oh, dude. What you getting? You know you're not supposed to be drinking no soda. Mama, if you watch this video, she getting a soda.
Not
She,
drink half.
and I, no, give it. Mama, if you watch this video, she drinking a soda. You know, she not supposed to.
Having as much
Here.
as she be having.
I'll just share it.
I be
Oh,
having
that's how
like
my
two
come on my
every
channel, so.
like 6 months. I be having like 2 sodas